In this video, I will show you how to download W3School app in Windows 11. Let's get started. First, click on the Start menu. Then type Microsoft Store. After opening Microsoft Store, you simply click on top of the search bar and type W3School. After searching W3School, look for the official W3School app. Here there are two apps available: offline version, online version. Here we are downloading online version. Simply click on W3School online. After clicking on this app, click on the install button for downloading it. Our W3School is downloading. Once it's downloaded, we will open it. You can see there are many information present in this page, like screenshot, description, rating and reviews, system requirement, additional information. If you want to know much more about W3School, you can simply scroll and read this additional information, system requirement. We will wait for downloading W3School. Then we will open it. You can see our W3School online downloaded. For open it, simply click open. When you click in open, you can see W3School online is opened. For checking this, simply click on start button and search W3School. Here you can see W3School online is downloaded in Windows 11. Here we open it, and when you open, you can see tutorial, language and different things. I hope this video help you how to download W3School online. If you have any question, you can simply type in comment.